So in this lesson, we're going to look at patterns with fractions, and these patterns are formed by either multiplying or dividing fractions. To do this, we're going to outline steps that we follow, that at least we're recommending you follow when you want to identify and complete multiplication or division patterns, and then we'll use those same steps to do some together. So how do we go about this? The method is similar. The only difference, if you've looked at our other lessons in this series, you would see that we follow the same pattern, and the way we go about it is we divide the second term by the first term, multiply that value by the second term to get to the third term, and you repeat that as many times as possible until you identify all the terms in the pattern. Now let's try some examples. Find the missing numbers in the pattern below. So what we're saying here is we're going to divide the second term by the first term. So this is going to be 1/2 multiplied by 4/3. So this is going to give us 1 multiplied by 4 over 2 multiplied by 3. This is 4/6, which is 2/3. So what we're saying now is for the second term, you're going to multiply the second term by 2/3 to get to the third term, which is going to give us 2/6, which is 1/3. Now we multiply this by 2/3, which is going to give us 2/9. Then we multiply by 2/3, which is going to give us 4/27. 4/27 multiplied by 2/3, that's going to give us 8/81. And then you multiply by 2/3, it's going to give us 16/243. So our missing terms are 4/27, 8/81, and 16/243. Next example, we have 7/9, 7/18, 7/36. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide 7/18 divided by 7/9, which is going to give us 7/18 multiplied by 9/7, which is going to give us 7 multiplied by 9/18 multiplied by 7. So 7 is going to cross out. 9 divided by 9, 1. 18 divided by 9, 2. So we have 1 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by 1, which is 1/2. So the next thing we're going to do then is 7/18 multiplied by 1/2. This is going to give us 7/36. We multiply by 1/2 again. We have 7/72 multiplied by 1/2. We have 7/144. And then we multiply 7/144 by 1/2 again, and we have 7/288. So let's go ahead and see. So we have 7/36, we have 7/72, 7/144, and then 7/288. And those are the missing terms. Now we have this pattern here. We want to find out the missing numbers in the pattern below. So we're going to go with dividing the second term by the first term. 8/9 divided by 4/9, which is 8/9 multiplied by 9/4, which is 8 multiplied by 9 over 9 multiplied by 4. So this 9 crosses out. 4 divided by 4, 1, 8 divided by 4 is 2. So this is 2 multiplied by 1 over 1 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 2/1, which gives you 2. So now for the third term, we're going to go ahead and multiply 8/9 by 2, which is going to give us 16/9. and then we multiply 16 over 9 by 2. It's going to give us 32 over 9. You multiply that by 2, you have 64 over 9. Multiply that by 2, you have 128 over 9. And then you multiply 128 over 9 by 2, and you have 256 over 9. So now let's see what this ends up becoming. 16 over 9. If you divide 16 by 9, you have one remainder, 7 over 9. If you divide 32 over 9, you have 3, and then there's a remainder of 5. So 64 over 9 is going to be 7, 1 over 9. 128 over 9. Let's do something quickly here. Let's do some long division here quickly. 128 divided by 9. 12 divided by 9, you have 1. 1 multiplied by 9, you have 9. You subtract. And then you have 38. 38 divided by 9, you have 4. 4 times 9 is 36. Subtract, you have a remainder of 2. So this is going to give us 14, 2 over 9. And then 256 over 9. Let's go ahead and do the division. 256 divided by 9. How many groups of 9 in 25? You have 2. 2 multiplied by 9, you have 18. And then you have a remainder of 7. And then we have 6 down here. So 76 divided by 9, we have 8. 8 multiplied by 9, we have 72. And we have a remainder of 4. So this is going to give us 28, 4 over 9. So these are your missing numbers. And our final example, we have 24, 3 over 10, 8, 1 over 10, 2, 7 over 10, and 9 over 10. So what we're going to do is we have divide the second term, 8, 1 over 10, by the first term, 24, 3 over 10. So we're going to convert them to improper fractions first. So we have 8 times 10, 81. Sorry, 8 times 10, 80 plus 1. You have 81 over 10 divided by 24 times 10, which is 240 plus 3. So that's 243 over 10, which is going to be 81 over 10 multiplied by 10 over 243. So this crosses out here. This crosses out. You have 9 and then 81. And then you have, actually, you don't have 9. You have 27. You have 27, 81. You can divide both by 3. You have 9 and 27. And then you can divide by 9. You have 1 and 3. So this is going to give you 1 over 3. So now what we're going to do is we're going to say 81 over 10 multiplied by 1 over 3 is going to be 81 over 30, which is 27 over 10, multiplied by 1 over 3, which is 27 over 30, which is 9 over 10. Now we have 9 over 10 multiplied by 1 over 3, which is 9 over 30, which is equal to 3 over 10. We multiply by 1 over 3, which is 3 over 30, which is going to give us 1 over 10. And then 1 over 10 multiplied by 1 over 3 is 1 over 30. So now we have 9 over 10, then we end up with 3 over 10 after that. We have 1 over 10, and then 1 over 30.